Good afternoon, it's Bev at Planetcrochet. This is a single bed. Now this is corner to corner, a pattern I loved. I'd have to find out the designer, this wasn't mine, and I followed the pattern. The graph that I made so I could copy this myself, not copy the design but make it, I went wrong somewhere between these two big owls, and I had to frog 3 rows with colours as well because I'd copied it wrong on graph paper from the actual pattern. So this was a labour of love. This is, if you look back on my Planetcrochet Instagram, one of my early ones. Corner to corner is fairly easy. Once you've grasped a solid colour, then you can move on to this, to changing colour and making a picture, pattern. There's hundreds of them out there, hundreds that people have designed, or you can make your own. I did make my own squirrel. That's on my Planetcrochet Instagram if you want to go and take a look at that. But yeah, this was meant to be a cushion. I purchased the wrong yarn, so hence we have this huge blanket. It does need a border. I've just never got round to doing the border. It looks nice as it is, but I think I was so exhausted after doing it, I just packed it away. But I just thought I'd show this before I show you how to do corner to corner. I'm not going to do changing colour first. I'm just going to do the basic corner to corner, and then you can move on to changing colour. I'll do that in another video. But yeah, I do love this, and I would, unless somebody wanted to buy it, I think it will be staying with me because I love it.